I just want to make a quick video. I bought this agave um, from the local nursery, and it looks fine, but I noticed it has the leaf is turning yellow, and these are pretty hardy plants. So I looked at, and the pot feels quite tight as well. So I looked underneath, and it looks like the roots are quite root bound. So I'm gonna take it out. I was going to put this in the ground, but I just want to check it first. Oh, I didn't bring a gloves. This thing is gonna poke me. Let's take this out slowly. Whoa, I knew it. I knew it. Look at how root bound it is. All the babies are struggling to come out. They're just twisted and twisted around. So I'm gonna repot it. Oh, look at that baby. And that is 2 there. Oh, then I'll have so many plants. Oh, this one also. I think there's another one there. Okay, I'm gonna put it in a much bigger pot here. Just keep that there. I won't disrupt the roots. I'll just leave it in the soil and let it unravel itself. I will put it in the ground soon. So I'm just leaving it here to recover a little. But that is, if you see, that's, I just want to go through this so you know, if you see leaves yellowing and you know it's a hardy plant and there's no need for it to be yellowing because it's obviously been watered or it doesn't need as much water, then it could be something like this. This plant was struggling. It was so root bound. So you can see, so hopefully those babies will make their way up. Just put it a little higher. And you can see how much of space is all around it. So it can expand and the babies can come up on the side. I've never seen an agave. Well, I suppose agaves are not normally kept in pots. This is supposed to be a small, it says it is a miniature cultivar. So even though it's miniature, it still produces lots of offsets. Yeah, so hopefully now it's gonna spread out and the babies can come up. I won't pack it down too tight because I've just put enough soil around it and it can breathe. Hopefully I'll get lots of these little rosettes and I can plant them. That's a little project. Or if you find something that's root bound, just replant it, and I'm going to keep track of it and see how well it does or how long the babies take to come out, because I don't know how long it's been stuck in there in this tiny pot. That is why it felt so tight. The pot felt so compact, you could feel it pushing against the side. That's it. So this is a much bigger pot. Oh, let me fill a little bit more soil on the side, and I don't need to water it. It's not dry or anything. The soil was damp, but it just needed space. That's why it's looking a bit sad. And that's it. that is all. I just wanted to show you that, and I wanted to see the roots as well. So now we know it's going to do much better. Okay, that's all for now, and I'll keep you updated. Bye.